Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 2D drawing tutorials. This is mechanical drawing. This is tutorial number 12. Okay. Before start the drawing, please open the AutoCAD. This is my AutoCAD 2017 version. Okay. I close the drawing. No. This is the AutoCAD 2017 version. And choose the template here. Manufacturing matrix. This for mechanical. Okay. Mechanical templates. As you will see, the ISO A3 plot here. Choose the more tab here. Grid on, and then make sure the UN unique decimal millimeter. Okay. Okay. This is my output drawing here. This is the export as PDF print. Okay. This is the top view. This is the side view. Okay. We stack the drawing side by side techniques. Okay. Let's start drawing. This to draw this cycle is the diameter 130 millimeter. C for the cycle here. Make sure the auto cruiser on. Yes. D for the diameter 130. Yes, you will get the 130 millimeter diameter cycle. And then there's another cycle is 62 here, the outside ring. Okay. C for the cycle plate, D for the diameter 62. And then another hole is 40 millimeter. C for the cycle here, D for the diameter 40. Okay. Now you will complete that hole and then the body, and then make sure that the side view, to draw the side view. Okay, line here, copy step point to the right for the side view, and then here, and then make the such cross line here to the drawing boundary, and then you will see the thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, to 20 millimeter, use offset command O for the offset, enter the values 20, and then select object to offset from that, and yes, use the train command TR, unnecessary, enter necessary bits, delete the unnecessary bits here. Okay, now you get that thickness, and then use offset command again to here. 52 plus 8 is 60 millimeter. All for the offsets, write the value 60. What's the stepping point here? Here, 60. Okay, and then use line command to here. Use line command here. Use train command, enter, write unnecessary bits. Okay. Here, train command. Here. Erase command, delete unnecessary bits. Because too many lines should be 6. Then you get it here. Okay, and then make sure the hole here, and the depth of the hole is 26 from that point. 26 offset here, 26 the values from the right, 26, and then use the 12 millimeters 12 millimeter taper angle from that point, 12 millimeter and 30-degree angles taper. So offset here 12 millimeter here. Then use the baseline for the construction line XL, enter, and then use the angle here, split angle, and enter the angle of X line. I will get 30-degree angle line. You'll see this at 30-degree line from that point. And then XL again, minus 30 from the opposite side. Yeah. Sorry. XL again. I use the angle here, horizontal body gate angle. I will choose the angle for minus 30, enter. Okay. Yeah. Trim command again. Delete unnecessary bits. Yeah. And then erase command here. Choose unnecessary bits. Line. Okay. Okay, now you get it this taper angle. Trim command here. Yeah. Yeah. It's good. Okay. Okay, now you get it here. And then so this taper angle is belong to the mother's choice. Okay. Now you need the view here. Click. Yes, you will need the side gate here on the view of the taper angle. See, for the side gate, let here to that one. Okay. Erase line. Okay. Save. Okay, now you will make a hole here, 26 millimeter hole, 40 holes, 40 diameter hole. Okay, and now you will need a header line for the inside hole. So you will need to arrange the layer property here. Split and make the new layer here. HINTTE and header lines, and then color quite okay. Line types not solid line. Choose the load here. Which is the hidden line. Yes, I choose the hidden price. Okay. Let's, and then make a transparency and should be dim 40. 40 is okay. Choose the edit header line here. The green mark is edit, so you will see the header line. And choose line, header line from the insides, okay, to that Y. And you will see the header line again here. Yeah. Trim command here. Enter. Enter. Erase the necessary line. Now you will depth here 36, and then diameter 25. Diameter 25 is the inside side gate. Yeah. So C for the side gate. Click the center point. Sorry, I choose the default layer first. C for the side gate. D for the diameter 25. And then choose again header line. line here to the entire hole. Then line here. Change command here. Necessary line. Then erase. Okay. And now okay, I'm gonna trim the lines. Okay. Trim command here. Not the entire hole. This. And choose chain. And let me show you. I change the lines, the default line to hidden line clicks here, and then you select the layer that you want. Okay, now hidden line. See. Okay. And then make a hole here. Make a hole here. 6mm hole diameter hole. It's 8mm offset from that one. Okay. Offset here 6mm, that line, and then offset again 3mm offset from right and left. Okay, now you erase the center line. Now you get is the 6mm offset here. Okay, and then I do down tilt the hole. Okay, trim command use necessary lines here. Okay, then erase that line. Okay, now I will show you the chain. This is the default line. Plates, then that plates. Choose the header line. Yeah, now you get is the whole. Save. Okay. Okay, now it's almost complete joints. Now you get the key line here. This is the 10mm head and 50mm depth here. Okay. Line here. Yeah, it's the line here. Choose that line from the 50mm. So move key here, 50mm. Yeah. Yes. Get it. To draw, change the default line here. Line to here to here. And use line command here. Yes. It's a 10mm key. Use O for the offset, 5mm on head, right 5mm, 5mm. Okay. Then change command here. Then clicks. Then erase unnecessary line. Here. Okay. Erase. You get it here. Something as the 60 degree from left, 60 degree to right. So copy. A rotate key here. Rotates. Select object. There. Select that object. Enter. Specify base wise. The base wise. Choose center. And choose the option is copy here. Copy from angle 60 degree. Yes. Okay. So and then mirror, choose again that object's mirror from that one. Erase two objects, no. Okay, now you get it. String command here. Clicks. Very easy. And then I will choose the 60 angle from the bottom cutoff. Yes, you will see. And you see the 60-degree cutout. Okay. So to get this baseline here, angle, reference angle line is the now 60 degrees. So the AutoCAD make 0 degree from clockwise there, plus positive value, and left outside anti-clockwise is the negative values. So to get this 60 degree here, this should be minus 20 here. That should be minus. That should be, sorry, I will choose it here. This line should be minus 30. Okay, 30. So to get this line, okay, choose here minus 30 here, clips here. Yes. And then another cycle here. This should be the 60 here. So the minus. So this to get this line, the crossing line here. So I will draw this line here. This line here. So this the positive value is the 30. 30 to get this line. Okay. Is 30 here. Sorry. Is choose the angle 30. Yes, you get it. So trend command here. Trend. Yes. Yes. So I not string here. It's just the hidden line. Okay. Reference. So I will use the break command BR. Break here. As you can see, the rectangle hit here to clicks. Yes, it is the break command. Hit here to clicks. Okay. Erase here, click here. Then see line, hit line here. Break command here. Yeah, break. Not entire line. Break. Yeah, break. So a click is a different line. Okay. That line. Click that line. Switch to hidden line. Okay, very easy. Get it? Almost finished. See? So this is the top view. You think about this, the side views. You will see that line, that guided line to demonstrate here. Okay. Okay. So the drawing is that line should be visible, and then that line should not be seen. This hidden line that should be visible. That should be visible. That should be visible, and then that is not visible hidden line. Okay, and then cutouts from that point here. Yes. Okay, very easy. Then that should be hidden line. That should be hidden line. Then not a solid line. Okay. Okay. Use line command here. That point, then that point. Then that's the visible line. Okay. Use twin command here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Iris here. Yes. And then chain to header line. Line 2 here. That not severe. This is header line. Twin command here. Yeah, okay. Iris. Yes. And then chain to the four line here. Clips. That one. Let's twin command here. Here. And not here. Here. Erase. Okay. Now you almost get the entire drawing. Okay. Okay. Now see the dimension line here. First the center lines and center hole annotation here. Choose annotate here. Center max. Yes, the center points. And then center line, center hole is here. Center hole. Okay, center line here. Should be okay. Choose the line here. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Center line. Yes. Editing line to the outside here. Line to the outside here. Center line here. And then edit center line to the outside manually. Manually here. 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 Okay. So you complete the drawings. Then make sure the dimension. Dimension is I choose another layer for the dimension here. Okay. Choose the layer property here. DIME and SIONS dimensions. It's continuous. Continuous. Yes, continuous. Okay. Choose the transparency to 40 for 40 for that dim lines. Okay. Cool. You will see that clearly from the drawing and dimension. Okay. So choose the dimension here and choose diameters on the side here on 30 and choose the linear here. Here is the 10. ESP explode. I can move, enter M and move command this 10 to the right. You see clearly the drawing. Okay. Then angle here, angular, that point 60, angular again, that point and 60 here. Then choose the angular linear. That point is 62. Then that point is 40. Okay. Then choose that point is 25. 25 is the diameter hole. So you will need to assign the symbol here, diameter 25. Okay. Very easy. So this is here 20 millimeter. Then this is that line to that line is 54. Then that line to that line is So 6. Then that hole is here, here, 6. So this completely explode here. Let's then move the 6 little bit left. See clearly the hole. Okay. Okay, that should be that line to that line. Also, you see the dimension is from that point, not the top point. So that okay, you see the clearly little bit the automated lines draw. So you can see that you can use the mode of snapping reference on snap cruiser reference. If you cannot see here, choose the snap object, snaps auto. Yes, okay. Then 26. Yes. Here, here, here. 26. Okay. 30 degree angle. Here, angular here. That point, that point. Yes, 30 degree. Okay, 60, 60. Okay. Angular here. That point, that point. 60 degree. That point is 60 degree. Here. 50 here. Choose the linear here, that of D. Yeah. How you get it, the copy joy. Here, just like that. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.